What is up guys? Today I am going to go into the city. I'm going to go to the Moore store at the Strand. I'm pretty sure that's how you say it, M-O-R, Moore. I was invited by their PR company to do a little bit of a shopping experience and show you guys what's happening at the store. I've walked past that store a couple of times already and it's really pretty. So I'm going to get ready in a bit. While I'm in the city, I'm also going to stop by Chemist Warehouse to grab a couple of things for my hair. I'm going to be touching up my roots today, and I think I'm going to officially say goodbye to the pink. As much as I love this hair color, I feel like I want to go back to blonde already. I'm very indecisive with my hair. I think I've outgrown this phase. Quite literally, as you guys can see those roots. Okay guys, so I've got my makeup on, just very simple. I've got some mascara on. Oh, I need to smudge that actually. I think that looks a bit messy. I think I'm okay for time, but hopefully I don't miss my train, so let's go. Oh, hello, this hair. Hey guys. So I'm here at Melbourne Central and we're going to make our way to the Strand. Oh, that lighting though. We're going to make our way to the Strand. So the Moore store is on the ground level of the Strand. So let's make our way there. Very chic, very boutique. So I had a lady help me. Her name is Dianne. She was just telling me about all the fragrances they have here and some of the best sellers, and I love the design and the aesthetic of this brand. It smells so good. So I am going to be choosing one product for myself, and I'm also going to be choosing one product for a loved one. So I'm so excited. I really like the diffusers. I really want a candle, but can't have a candle like I said. So I'm just going to choose a scent that I like, and then I'll get a diffuser. And ooh, look at the Christmas packs. I'll show you guys the Christmas packs. They're not badly priced, guys. Like, this is like one of their Christmas packs and it's only $30, down from $42. Ugh. I love their packs. This diffuser called Lychee Flower, which is smells so good. Smells so good. So it says rose, berries and greenwood. Oh, enriched with, so it's still lychee. Why am I not in focus? Oh, they've got a belladonna one. Smells so good. Really good. So this one is called the Pomegranate Hand and Nail Cream. So they basically have like scents, candles, diffusers. They have like body washes, body creams. I also found that they have bath oil, which I'm tempted because you know I love my bath. They have this really nice fragrance. It's called Rose Noir. It's a really nice rose scent. I'm normally not a big fan of rose scents because they're really overbearing, overpowering, not overbearing, overpowering, and they're too strong. This one's actually really nice. So if you guys are looking for like a nice eau de parfum, maybe check this out because it's really tempting. I only can choose like 2 things, guys, so I'm very tempted. Like, I really want to buy more, but at the same time I'm on a strict budget because we've just moved, obviously. So I'm gonna really walk around and see what I really want. Okay, so for a gift for a loved one, I'm just gonna grab the Peony Blossom. I really like that smell. So good. I was debating between that and the marshmallow one, which is like over there. Look at that. Look at the design. I love how extra they are. And then I'll grab this. Alright, let's make our way to the counter. Hey guys, so I'm in the car now. My partner picked me up from the train station and we're going to go to his mum's house today. I've also just gotten a haircut. I don't know, my hair always looks funny after a haircut. Like, I think it's because the roots are just so oily and it's just flat in some parts. Anyway, I'm going to be touching up the roots tonight and I'm going back blonde. I'll show you guys a bit of the process, but I think I'm going to do a proper video as well how to do that. I'm going to do a bit of a bleach bath actually, so hopefully I don't damage my hair too much in the process of going back to blonde. So today is Sunday, let's say 23rd of December. So my partner and I are going to go see my friend Angela. You guys have seen her in the vlogs before. She's visiting with her boyfriend for Christmas because her mum's down here in Victoria. Sorry, roundabout. So yeah, we're gonna go hang out and we're gonna check out this little pet farm. I'm not really sure. It's called Chesterfield Farm. Basically there's little animals that you can pat and stuff. So I haven't really been to one of those things before, so I do want to see what they're like. I'm going to be a little bit petrified, not gonna lie, over some of the animals, even though I know they're harmless, but still. And then I think we'll go out for dinner. Not really sure what we're gonna do for dinner in terms of location. Maybe fish and chips by the beach, or actually find a restaurant, but we'll see. I'll take you guys along with us. Hey guys, so we're here at the Chesterfield Farm and we're waiting for my friends. I actually told them that we're going to take at least an hour and a half to get here, but we got here in, I think, in just like an hour or so. So we're just going to wait for them here, and I've just realised my hair is so blonde. I haven't seen myself this blonde in a number of years, to be honest. Anyway, we're just gonna wait here and we're going to check the place out. We can already see some sheep and some llamas like in the background. It's actually really cute. And I don't know if you guys can see, but it's a really nice sunny day. Oh, it's very bright for you guys. Yeah, it's a really nice sunny day. And there are a couple of people here already.
Having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the January. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. This Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance.
Hey guys, it is the next day, so it's Boxing Day. Sorry I didn't vlog much yesterday. Yesterday was pretty much just like a family day, so we basically spent it with my partner's family on his dad's side. So we basically just hung out at his auntie's place. His grandmother was there and his other aunt was there, and then his cousins were there, so we just all like kept talking. And I don't know if you guys have noticed, but my partner's family is quite private. That's why I don't vlog around them. Hopefully you guys enjoy the decor. I really found them really cute. Anyway, today is Boxing Day and we're going to spend the day with my partner's mum now. So we are going to go to her house. They're actually celebrating Christmas today instead of yesterday because one of his sisters had to work yesterday. So we're just doing that all today. And then we might check out the shops, just maybe, because we've got a gift card for Lush and I kind of want to use it. Apparently there's 50% off. And I tried looking online. It's not available online. I mean, I know Lush is quite affordable already, but you know, if I can save extra money, why not, right? Also, I don't know if you guys can see, but my hair, I think it needs to be toned. Like the roots are a little bit warm still. I might have to use like a purple toner, or just use the same toner that I use but add a little bit more of the Weller Violet toning one. Just on the roots, because like, I really like this tone of blonde. I really do like it. Hey guys, so we're back home from my partner's mom's house and we got a couple of gifts and I'm so thankful because these are things that we've been wanting for quite some time. So I'll show you guys what we got. Alright, first up we got this coffee machine. Now if you guys are from Australia, you guys probably know that this is like quite popular. This is available at Kmart, I believe, and I think the internet kind of went crazy for this. And like my partner's mum was saying, like this was out of stock for the longest time, and then when they finally came in stock she just grabbed it. So this is one of those coffee machines. I'm pretty sure it works like a traditional coffee making machine where you have to ground your beans, put it through one of those, and then water obviously goes through, and then you've got that thing that you can use to froth things. I actually did a barista course. I should really know what that thing's called, but anyway, at least you can make your own coffee. Candy student desk, again available from Kmart. So I'm going to put this in the filming room so that I can actually put my iMac on there. So my filming table is just, it doesn't have enough space really, so that I can put the computer on and I have the lights and stuff. So I'm going to put this in the corner so that after I edit I can just go onto the table and then edit there, and then, you know, upload it to YouTube or Instagram or wherever I have to upload that content. Then over here, now this one's from my partner, this one is the Doctor Who alarm clock. I also have, oh, let's open this one first. This one is from my partner's sister Kate. She got me a gift voucher, and when you get a gift voucher from Mecca, it comes with a little perfume as well, which smells actually really, really good. I already used it to purchase stuff from their Boxing Day sale. I've also got a ceramic travel mug. It's a Wonder Woman one. You guys know I love Wonder Woman. And then we have a coffee grinder, and we also have the barista. I have no idea, but this is where you foam your milk and stuff. I don't actually know what that thing's technically called, but it says it's a jug.